Dad channel. Today I've been asked to build a bike for a friend of mine. He wants a black frame bike, all black, no colour at all. So I've just been to have a look in the shed and see what's here. So this is the bike as she stands at the moment. The other thing I'm going to have a go at doing is sanding back the gloss black frame. Hopefully make it matte black. Also going to replace the sprocket, possibly spray the sprocket. We'll see. So the first job, swap these bars which are currently on an alone 21-inch frame, which I will build up at some point, but at the moment I'm going to take these handlebars and stick them on here in place of the chrome ones. The stem was a 6mm, brake lever is a 5mm. Right, so part one is done, that's the black bars. Now we do the cranks and the sprockets and the wheels. So now the cranks and sprocket are off. Now the pedals are actually so heavily corroded I can't undo them. I've even used the Allen key and the Allen bolt at the end of the pedals and they're just not coming off. Nearly forgot the sprocket. I've just found in the shed a pair of black crank arms. They're exactly the same as the ones that have come off the bike, which I'm painting, but they're taking a while to dry, so my impatience is getting the better of me. I can carry on spraying these, but I think I'm going to use these. Now wheels and tyres. Number one. Just found a Verdi 25T sprocket in the shed. I'm going to connect to the crank arms, put them back on, and we'll stick the wheels on. I'm going to swap this Salt Plus brake caliper for an Odyssey caliper that I've got on this bike. The original mongoose I was going to use. Put the tyre on. Now just the pedals. Let's see what she's like. And here's the finished bike. So quite a few changes. Sprocket, pedals, cranks, wheels, tyres, handlebars, and the rear brake. It's now an Odyssey Springfield. So as requested, we have an all black bike. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.